Hi, this is King of Review. Here we're asked to find the coefficient of a to the fourth b cubed in the expansion of a plus b to the seventh power. Now we could expand this by multiplying a plus b by itself 7 times, but that would take a long time and probably lead us to make a small error somewhere. Instead, we can use a shortcut called the binomial theorem, which is named after the fact that a plus b is a binomial. It has two terms, a and b. Here's what the binomial theorem says. When you expand a binomial raised to some power, there's going to be several terms. If you want the nth term, that term will be, if we're raising it to the seventh power, 7cn, where this is the formula for combinations, the combinations of 7 choosing n, times x to the power 7 minus n, where x is the first term in the binomial, times y to the nth power, where y is the second term in the binomial. So, if we substitute a for x and b for y, this gives us 7cn a to the 7 minus n b to the n. Now we want the term that has a to the fourth b to the third. If we substitute 3 for n, we get 7c3 a to the 7 minus 3 b to the third. And since 7 minus 3 is equivalent to 4, we can see that this is the term that has a to the fourth times b to the third. So if we want the coefficient of this term, we need to figure out what 7c3 is. In general, if you have some number n and you're choosing some number r out of them, this formula is n factorial over r factorial times n minus r factorial. So let's plug in 7 for n and 3 for r. That gives us 7 factorial over 3 factorial times 7 minus 3 factorial. So this is 7 factorial over 3 times 2 times 1 is 6, and then 7 minus 3 gives us 4 factorial. Now 7 factorial is 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, so we can cancel out the parts of these that are 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. What we're left with is 7 times 6 times 5. The 4, 3, 2, and 1 canceled with the 4, 3, 2, and 1 from the bottom. So we get 7 times 6 times 5 divided by 6. The 6's cancel out, and we get 7 times 5, which is 35. So our coefficient is 35. And that's it. Thanks for watching.